To connect a printer to your Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Then over here in Settings, go to Connected Devices. And then over here, you want to choose Connection Preferences, and then you should be able to find the printing option. We're going to start by going to Default Print Service. If this option is enabled, then you should be able to find your printer. I mean, there is a chance that you will find your printer over here, and if you do, you can just select it on this list, and you should be able to connect the printer with your phone. Of course, it is also possible that you will not be able to find it here, so what you can do is you can go back to the previous menu, and then you want to choose Add Service, and you will open the Play Store with a list of different plugins and print services for different printers. So you want to, of course, choose the plugin for your printer. If you have Samsung printer, you want to choose the Samsung plugin over here. And then you can use that plugin, if possible, of course, to try to find to find your printer on that list. But in case that doesn't work either, then what you can also do is you can check out the manual of your printer, and there is probably going to be an instruction on how to connect the printer to your phone. Now, what I'm trying to say is usually there is a name of an app that you need to get for your printer, because if the default print service doesn't work and the plugin doesn't work, then most likely it means that you need to get a very specific app, which is usually named in the manual of the printer. Or you can also try to Google that information as well. Maybe you will find FAQ of your printer, so maybe you can find that information in there as well. But yeah, you just have to simply find the app that you need to get for your printer, and you can probably use the Play Store in order to get the app for free. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you what app you need to get for your specific printer, simply because, well, the list would be just too long to name pretty much every printer over there and that we have available on the market right now. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.